Hi boys and girls, it's Shane and Shay, and we're gonna look at this house for $29,000. $29,000 for this old beauty. They just pointed out it has a flagpole. You like flagpoles, don't you?
You know.
Ah, look at this thing. Let's go inside. You can see the multiple colors, the Victorian. We got some kind of haint blue. I feel like they kind of muted it, but definitely here to keep the boo hags away. First impressions, here we go. High ceilings. Oh, yeah, you can smell the deal in this. Oh, that pocket door is pretty smooth. Look at that. Shay is not a short man. That is a tall door. High ceilings.
10-foot ceilings.
Oh, that's 12.
Yeah.
You've played basketball in it. That's got to be 12, right?
10-foot doors.
10-foot doors, yeah. Look at that. This house is $29,000. Listed here in Fort Smith, Arkansas. We're looking at possibly buying this and turning it into an Airbnb. We buy properties. We do themed houses like our Vampire Airbnb and others. Or just sometimes single family rentals. They curved the plaster. That's cool. Is it a cavity for the fireplace? But just to be fancy.
Interesting. Watch the video on that.
The transoms are intact on some of these.
Draw a door.
Knock 3 times.
Beetlejuice.
So this is our good friend black mold. That's what it actually looks like. It's not just a little black speckle, but that's black mold. So that was indicative of water getting in here. We got some cool built-ins. So this would have been the dining room, it looks like, with those built-ins for the dishes. We have the ceilings in here. Let's see if I can turn on some more light. This is bathroom. Nice tile shower, really. How much would this go for in your area? What is it?
I'm gonna backlight you.
Oh, wow. The crawl space under the stairs. So they don't really have a Harry Potter closet in this, but there could be one. How much do you think it would cost to renovate a project like this? It's always amazing how much people think it costs compared to how much it actually costs. If you learn our techniques and the way we do houses, make sure to follow and I'll teach you, but you would be surprised at how oh, it's got a basement. Oh, this is creepy as can be. Oh, I love this.
Want to go down at the end or first?
We'll go down at the end. Okay. I like saving that for later. Do you think there'll be a creepy book under there?
I hope so.
We did find one in the basement of another house. So we have the servant stairway. Yeah, that's the main entrance. So at the time this house was built, you had the main entrance for the family and for guests to be able to go upstairs. And then we had the servant stairway, which is back here. This is because you didn't want your servants to be seen. And so this stairway is going to usually be a lot narrower and steeper. So you can see how much less cool of a stairway that would be. And it's also always going to have its own back door. So when they're bringing in packages and stuff that they needed to bring into the house.
It's also carriage height too.
Right, the carriage height steps. So this would have been the kitchen. Probably had a potbelly stove here. And I guess that's the back porch back there because that looks like
a doorway because there's something outside.
That's outside. Good job, Shay.
Where's the second building? Oh, they got a portico.
So this would be access to the basement, and then this is like a little screened room of some sort. We'll go out there in a minute and look as well. This house just
like
keeps
the
going.
Tile from Central Mall in the 80s. You remember?
I do remember that. Every kid remembers that. Tried to step on just the white ones, right? Let's go upstairs.
Did you do that too?
Of course, every kid did that.
I always did that. Didn't want to step on the white tile.
I bet every mall in America had that tile. And everybody our age did that. Did you do that? Oh, it's still got some of the curtains intact.
Yeah, I saw that downstairs.
Oh. This is awesome.
This is in really great shape.
I wonder how old those curtains are. I'm going to go with 70s, 1970s, not 1870s. This house was probably here in the 1870s. It's got an upstairs balcony. Almost afraid to step out on this. Feels solid. Oh, so cool. How much would a house like this go for in your area? That's a solid, I actually know this keypad. I've used these keypads before.
Hey, check it out. He did some sort of electrical.
Yeah.
This was his workroom.
Somebody did some, like Arduinos and stuff, probably little microcontrollers. This big bay window in this bedroom. How's the floor feel?
That's spongy in a couple of places, and that's not abnormal.
Usually a bay window will leak. That's why we don't like to do them very much nowadays. But all right.
Well, they do them, but they just don't do them upstairs with wood floors.
Right. The bay window in our Vampire Den Airbnb was like that. We had to work on the floor. So another bedroom. So this is 3 bedrooms so far upstairs. We're nowhere near the end of the bedrooms yet. 4 bedrooms.
Oh,
That's a great workshop space.
big closet. I'm walking in, Terry. I'm walking in.
Okay. Then there's this little narrow hallway back here. Yeah, it goes to the attic. We'll do that after the next bedrooms here. Wiring looks up to code. Dennis Curry could tell us all about that.
Yep. Or his good friend, Robertson.
Let's see.
Only 2 baths. Interesting.
Yeah. Before I step out on any balconies, I always like to kind of feel my way through here. So we got a caved in. This would have been a sleeping porch probably. So for the family to sleep outside during hot summer days before air conditioning.
Or a sitting porch.
Yep. This bathroom could easily be divided into 2. That's a huge bathroom. That's the servant stairway.
Okay.
Attic time. We'll do the attic and then the basement.
I'll let you go first, cameraman.
Well, in case there's something up here, it'll be afraid of me. Not bad. I've seen a lot worse. This is a really cool attic. This is really cool. There's still some stained glass windows intact. Wow. Now, you'd have to insulate and air condition to be able to do much with this. There's definitely a lot of bird infiltration. So you can see all the bird feces. Oh, I smell it too. Ooh. Smells. Smells.
Lots of rats.
They were in the middle of rewiring. So somebody was reworking this house and the project probably just got away from them. And that happens. Sometimes people take on more than they can handle. Looks like the HVAC ductwork and stuff isn't bad.
Got a few little chewies.
Yep. What's your favorite feature so far of this house? Let's go check out the basement and see what it looks like. This may need to be a 2-part video. Let's go to the backyard first before we do that.
Want to?
Yeah. So this is the backyard and the back porch. They've rigged up a ramp, I guess, to bring some things in here.
So that's original. This is not.
Okay, so this is garage. There was probably a stable back here originally, and now it's been turned into some kind of garage. We'll just go through this door.
Yeah, good door.
It's a pretty nice door. Okay. And linoleum floor, definitely concrete. This is a newer structure for sure. And it looks like there was originally some kind of door or window over there. Okay. Let's go this way. So 2-car garage with an opener, whether or not it works or not, we could figure that out later. Guess I need to go back through this door.
Straw door. Now, when I go through it,
You can see some of the tile effects here.